Introduction to PsychINFO. Part 2, the Advanced Search. You can select the Advanced Search feature of PsychINFO by clicking on the Advanced Search link underneath the search box on the top of the PsychINFO search screen. The Advanced Search screen has more options than the basic search screen. Scroll down to see the Limit Your Results options. There are a few more options here than there are in basic search. You can specify the date range by month, the publication name, and publisher, and language. You can also specify book type, classification codes, methodology, and you can choose to exclude dissertations from your search result. We see immediately, too, that the search box area has more options, including the drop-down menus for selecting in which fields of the article record to limit your search. As you can see, there are many fields to which we can limit our search. We'll talk more about fields in a moment. You'll also notice the drop-down menus that link the search boxes together with the options and, or, and not. These options are called operators. The default operator is AND, because AND is the operator used most often. Let's see how the AND operator works. Let's say, for example, we are interested in articles on the topic of predicting the course, duration, and outcome of the disorder anorexia. If we search PsychINFO on the term anorexia without full text, by itself, we find 10,816 article records. If we search on the term prognosis by itself, a term that refers to predicting the course, duration, and outcome of a disorder, we find 13,241 article records. But if we join the two terms using the operator AND, anorexia and prognosis, we limit our search result to only 266 article records that contain both of these terms somewhere in the record. So here is the search query, and here is the search result, which we can see returns 266 article records. We can see by looking at one of the records why this record qualified for the search result. Remember that the subject field contains terms that identify what the article is about. We can limit our search in advanced search to find only article records that contain our search terms in the subject field in order to find articles that are specifically about this subject. Simply go to the drop-down menu and select Subject for each term you want to find in the subject field, and return only those records. Then renew your search by clicking on the Search button. Our new search returns only 116 article records that contain the terms anorexia and prognosis in the subject field for the record. Remember that we can also refine our search from the left pane. Say, for instance, we are interested in only seeing this subject, prognosis for anorexia, as it pertains to males, a group that represents the vast minority of anorexia cases. Just select male from the gender box and click Update. As you can see, only 16 articles are returned once we apply our new limiter. And again, we can see all of our restrictions in any record from our search result, just as in this one, where we see anorexia and prognosis appear in the subject field and male in the population field. And of course, we can always limit to full text if we have not already. In this case, there are only 3 articles that are full text that match this search query. Here is another example, a complex search result for articles about the treatment of postpartum depression. There are 172 articles for this search query. Let's say I want to filter my search results for just those articles that represent the methodology quantitative research. You can limit or expand your results at any time during your research in PsychINFO. In fact, you can go back to the Limit Your Results screen from the Search Results screen and further limit your results. Simply click on Show More inside the Refine Your Results box, and it takes you right back to the Limit Your Results screen. You can find quantitative research under Methodology and then search again. Only 42 of those 172 articles represent quantitative research, which we can see in any article record in this result. In this video, we covered how to combine terms using the AND operator, how to search for records by subject terms, and how to refine your search results generally. That concludes the video. Now you should have a better idea of how to do an advanced search in PsychINFO.